Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about NCERT fingerprint. This is very important and will helpful for your examination and for the quick and rapid revision. Okay, so let's start chapter 2nd, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. So this is the structure of flower. As you know, flower having four parts: androecium, gynoecium, calyx and corolla. So that androecium represent the male part, gynoecium female part, and calyx form sepal and corolla form petals. So this is part of stamen having anther and filament. As you know, anther is bilobed, dithecus, it is bilobed structure, dithecus, tetrasporangiate. Inside the anther, pollen sac is present. Inside the pollen sac, pollen mother cells are formed. Clear? These pollen mother cells help in the formation of pollen grain. Clear? So, this pollen mother cell undergo for the division, that is called meiosis. Undergo for the meiosis and form pollen tetrad. This pollen tetrad, that is haploid in nature. Each and every pollen tetrad help in the development of each pollen grain. So this is pollen grain, and the outer layer of pollen grain, that is exine, and inner layer of pollen grain, that is exine. Intine. Exine, that is made up of hardest node substance, that is called sporopollenin, and for the presence of sporopollenin, that pollen grain help to preserve for the long period of time as a fossil. Another word is here, how to pollen grain preserve in a very low temperature, that is called cryopreservation. So in the cryopreservation, the temperature is minus 196 degree. Intine is inner layer and thin, and that is made up of cellulose and pectin. Clear? This is two cell pollen grain, one large that is called vegetative and one small that is called generative. That is called two cell pollen, and this generative cell undergo for the division and form two male gamete. Okay, so this is pollen grain is male gametophyte, and this is male gamete, two male gamete. This is the process of gamete formation. This is pre-fertilization event. Clear to all? After the formation of gamete in the male, there is a female also. So this is part of carpel and pistil. This is a part of carpel and pistil, stigma, style, ovary and ovule. When the carpel and pistil are fused together, that is called syncarpus, present in the papaver, and the apocarpus when the carpel are free, mycelia. Clear? Multicarpally syncarpus and multicarpally apocarpus. This is called megaspore mother cell, undergo for the meiosis and form four cells, and out of the four, their cells are degenerate, only three. One is functional, that is called functional megaspore. This is functional megaspore nucleus. This undergo for the mitosis 2, 4, and then rearrange the 8 nucleated embryo sac. This type of embryo sac is called 7 celled and 8 nucleated. This is called polygonum type embryo sac. So 8 nucleus, as you know, 3 antipodal, 2 synergid, 1 egg cell, 2 polar nuclei. अगर 7 सेल की बात करते हैं तो एंटीपोडल, 2 synergids, 1 egg cell, and there is a central cell. Clear? Do not count polar nuclei. There is a central cell that is called 7 cell and nucleated. So this is formation of gamete formation, pre-fertilization event. Clear to all? After the fertilization, there is a pollination. Need to be transfer of gamete, that is gamete transfer. So the pollination, as you know, this is two types: cell pollination and cross pollination. So cell pollination, the flower is bisexual, mature in the same time, and closed flower, that is cleistogamous flower. Okay, and after the cell pollination, when plant are pollinated continuously self, it causes inbreeding depression. Very important one, इनब्रीडिंग डिप्रेशन. ये क्या है बेटा? इनब्रीडिंग डिप्रेशन में क्या होता है कि सेम प्योर लाइन बनती है जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन. इससे क्या होगा, जो प्लांट्स की प्रोडक्टिविटी है और उसकी जो स्टेरिलिटी है, वो स्टेरिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी, प्रोडक्टिविटी घटती चली जाएगी, और न्यू वैरायटी और डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो पाएगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड इनब्रीडिंग डिप्रेशन. क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट बेटा क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. सो इन द क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन, दैट इज आउटब्रीडिंग. क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन बेटा क्या होगा? जिटोनोगैमी एंड जीनोगैमी. सो जिटोनोगैमी जो है, Genetically self pollination है, but xenogamy transfer of pollen grain stigma of different flower of different plant. This is xenogamy. तो अगर आपको सेल्फ स्टेरिलिटी से बचाना है या इनब्रीडिंग डिप्रेशन से बचाना है, सो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन एंड यू कैन यूज आउटब्रीडिंग डिवाइसेस. ये बेटा कैसी डिवाइस है? आउटब्रीडिंग डिवाइसेस वो डिवाइसेस हैं दो विच इनकरेज द सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन एंड discourage the cell pollination and encourage the cross pollination. That is called outbreeding devices. So it is used to you can use to develop good variety and also prevent the inbreeding depression. So there is a different outbreeding devices. One that is dioicy. What is mean of dioicy? Male and female flower present in different plant. That is called dioecious या dioicy. So that is papaya and date palm. This is dioecious plant या dioicy. Unisexuality, male and female part with the stamen and anther present in different flower. That is unisexual. This is also promote the cross pollination. Self incompatibility का मतलब बेटा pollen grain reach to the stigma of same flower but it fail to germinate the pollen tube. It may be due to hercogamy. Hercogamy क्या मतलब है? Anther and stigma in such a position that pollen grain are failed to reach into the stigma. That is called hercogamy. Clear है बेटा? ऊपर नीचे होंगे ये छोटे बड़े होंगे जिससे pollen grain stigma में land नहीं कर पाएगा. Dichogamy is a condition in which anther and stigma mature in different condition. Maybe pollen grain mature earlier, stigma may be not receptive. या stigma may be mature earlier, pollen grain is not released. So that condition also encourage the cross pollination. These devices are very important. Next beta, artificial hybridization. This method also used for the crop improvement. Very important for the crop improvement. So this device used for the crop improvement and this is useful for emasculation and binding. Two step is there. So emasculation used for the bisexual flower in which male and female flower both are present. You have to remove the male part of the flower from the female flower. So male part को आपको remove कर देना है, anther को remove कर देना by using the forceps. That is emasculation. If the flower is unisexual or monoecious, that is cucurbitus cucumber, so there is no need of emasculation. After the emasculation, you have to cover the stigma with the help of butter paper and then reopen and then enter the desirable pollen into it. After the entry of desirable pollen, you have to rebag again. That is called bagging. It prevent. So bagging इसलिए करेंगे कि to avoid the contamination and entry of undesirable pollen grain. So this is bagging. So these two are steps that is used for the artificial hybridization and used for the crop improvement to develop good variety of crop in the plant breeding. Clear beta? After the pollination, then successfully reach to the stigma, correct pollen grain reach to the stigma of the flower, that is called pollen pistil interaction, and if the pollen grain is compatible and stigma receive the pollen grain, then there is a chance to germination of the pollen tube. Otherwise, if the pollen grain are incompatible or incorrect, it fail to germinate the pollen tube into the stigma. So when pollen tube germinated and reach to the where this site micropylate region and there is a synergids which guide the and filiform apparatus in the synergids which guide the entry of pollen tube into the egg cell and fertilization take place. So after the gamete formation, gamete transfer, there is a fertilization. Clear beta? After the fertilization, that is post fertilization event. Okay, so post fertilization event, that is first embryo formation. So embryo is formed. So embryo having different stages, that is pro-embryo, globular embryo, heart shape and mature embryo. That is stages of the embryo development. Clear to all? Now, when the embryo get mature, in the monocot there is a coleoptile, coleorhiza and scutellum. In the dicot there is a radicle and plumule. So, in a coleoptile, that is a region where plumule are covered. So that is called coleoptile above the cotyledon. Coleorhiza that below the cotyledon and that sheath which covered the radicle. And scutellum is similar as the cotyledon in the monocot, provide nourishment. Clear to all? And this is difference. This is monocot embryo. After the embryo formation, there is a seed formation. Seed is generally two types, albuminous seed and non-albuminous seed. So albuminous seed are seed in which endosperm are remain persist. That is called